Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday. Today is your birthday. It's Thursday morning here at 9:30 and I am just about to dive into some work. It has been just a crazy week with work because I've been having so many issues with my computer, and so I just haven't really been able to get as much done as I would have liked to. But things seem to be working a little bit better today, so I'm hoping that things will go a little bit smoother. I'm gonna start off with some editing, just sort of knock that out, and then yeah, we're gonna have to push our way through the rest of this to-do list as quickly as possible because Connor and I have a very fun night planned. I'll tell you guys all about it a little later when I'm getting ready, but it's going to be a lot of fun, I think. I'm super excited. And anyway, that's pretty much everything I have to say in this intro here. Not much to say this morning, but I will check in with you guys in a little bit.
Molly cat. Okay. You were hanging out with Coco?
Mm-hmm. I kind of woke her up.
Good girl. You gotta go get a snack? Go ahead, it's lunchtime. Oh no, you're okay?
She's just excited to see you.
I'm excited to see you too, you precious little baby.
Yeah, she's a precious little baby.
Doop.
Baby.
Guys, I'm a stupid idiot and didn't show you my lunch when I made it. Oh, but it was essentially what I made last week. Or last week on the vlogs, this week for me. But just a wrap with the corn chicken and a bunch of veggies and stuff. So it's fine, but I can't believe I forgot to do that. I'm such a dummy. Oops, I have to put this away too. It is 1:30 now though, and I have some stuff that I have to finish up for work as quickly as possible because Connor and I are trying to leave here around 3 o'clock-ish to head out for the day. I know I haven't even filled you guys in yet, but I just need to like focus on work for a second. Okay, back to work. I feel like the whole start of this vlog has been very sporadic, so my apologies, but the rest of this day is going to be really fun, so I'm hoping that, you know, it'll get a little better. So I'm just gonna start getting ready now, and I want to fill you in on the rest of this day because Conor and I are pretty excited. So we are actually going to be heading into downtown, and we're going to hit a rooftop there or some bar, depending on where we can get into, and then we're going to be going to one of our favorite restaurants, Dama. We have not been since June of 2020, so it's been a really long time, and it's one of our all-time favorites, so we're very excited about that. And then after that, we are going to a Dodger game, and all of this sort of came to be because Stella Artois reached out and asked if we would be interested in going to a game. Okay, sorry, my camera died. So I think what I was saying is that Stella invited us to a game, and I was like, yes, we would definitely be interested in that. And the seats that they got us, guys, I mean, they're pretty incredible, I'm not gonna lie. I'm obviously very excited, and Connor is like through the moon excited because he likes and cares about sports way more than me, obviously. But we have been looking forward to this for a long time. It's a great excuse to head downtown and like hit some of our favorite spots there. We've been talking about wanting to do a downtown, well, really we still want to do like a full downtown day where we do some like bar hopping around there and hit a lot of our old faithful spots. But I'm honestly really excited. I've barely been to downtown since moving here, and so I'm really pumped to just get to check it out and see where it's at right now, because obviously when we were there and when we were moving, all of that, it was not great. So I'm hoping that it's really on the rebound now. My poor downtown. I love it there so much. I'm so sad that it sort of ended the way that it did. Such a bummer. It's gonna be so much fun today though. Oh, I cannot wait to go to Dama. Oh man, it's been way too long since we've been there. I don't even know what's gonna be on their menu anymore. Like I wonder if their menu has changed. I don't know. Oh man, I can't wait. So we have an Uber scheduled to pick us up in about a half hour, and basically what our plan is we called the Uber to Broken Shaker, which is a rooftop that we hope we can go to. But if we can't, then one of our favorite bars, Golden Gopher, is right across the street, so we can pop into there. Or we're also thinking maybe we'll go to La Grande for their happy hour because they do a really good oyster happy hour, and obviously that's right up mine and Connor's alley. So sort of TBD about what we will end up doing. I also managed to just power through and get everything off my to-do list, so thank goodness for that. Feeling very relieved. Tomorrow I'm gonna have to work Well, I don't know how long of a day I'll have to work tomorrow. We're just gonna have to see how quickly I move, but I think I can finish early tomorrow as well, like maybe around 3 o'clock. So I'm happy with that if I can finish by 3. And Conor's company actually all of August does summer Fridays, so he gets a half day tomorrow, which is really great. And I guess what we do tomorrow will all depend on the hangover status from tonight. It's been such a week though with all of my computer issues. It's funny, I was just editing my vlog from, let's see, it was my past Monday, but your last Friday. Me just being like, oh good, the computer's working again. I hope it's just the end of the saga. And I'm like, no, Jill, you're gonna be struggling for the rest of the week with that. So prepare yourself. Figure out what I wanna wear too. Thinking maybe that gray Revolve dress that I just got. I think I unboxed that sort of recently for you guys. I don't know, it's really hard for me to keep track of where your timeline is versus my timeline. I actually think that was, well, I don't know. But if you don't want to go looking for it, but you're curious, I actually hauled it on Instagram too, and it's tagged in a highlight there, so you could check that out if you wanted to for whatever reason. Oh man, my back. Eyelashes are sort of popping today. Okay. That's this new mascara I've been using, Motives by Lauren Brittinger. I don't even know what that is, but I did a good job on my lashes today. Okay, my hair is looking a little crazy, so we're gonna do 2 things. First, I'm gonna use just my mix of water and conditioner just to dampen it up a little bit. Next, I'm going to use my Bondi Boost Intensive Spray, which I'm using every day to, try to help stimulate hair growth.
Hey, baby.
Hello, what are you gonna wear? Ooh, look at this.
So this is a Yogi
I love it.
1993 world champion, Blue Jays world champion.
That is so cool.
Right? A little vintage. Not too bad, eh?
No, I think it's very cool. I'm jealous. How excited are you for tonight?
I'm so pumped.
Yeah?
Should I not wear this? What do you think?
Why?
No, I'm just worried it might be hot.
Oh, well, I would wear a t-shirt under it.
Yeah. Just keep it with me.
Yeah, I'm sure like tonight at the stadium I might get a little chilly. Sweet.
Actually, yeah, could you take a photo of me
Of course.
to send to my parents?
Yeah.
Alright.
Cute. Let's get a selfie.
Exactly. There you go.
Okay, here's the fit. This little gray dress from Revolve. Little jacket just in case it gets cold later. Not very baseball-y, but I don't care.
Yeah, we're going for 2 different themes here.
Exactly. You know, I just, really the only baseball-related thing I have is a hat, and I'm not wearing a hat today, so what are you gonna do, you know? We're also rocking my awkward tan lines, but I don't care. We're just going with it because I gotta live my life.
It's gonna be a fun day, though.
Yes, it's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. Molly
Back
Cat.
to the old stomping grounds.
You gonna miss us?
So much.
So much. We're gonna miss you too.
Hey, for Connor? Great, thank you.
You ready? Yeah,
Yes.
we're ready to go.
Thank you.
Back in the old stomping grounds. Downtown. Uber driver's like, watch out, you're in downtown now. I'm like, yeah, dude, I know. So we just hopped out of our Uber a little early just because the traffic was so bad. It took us an hour and 15 minutes to get here.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Love that.
But
Really miss
Uber
that
was
if I was
not using
downtown.
AC, so that was also
Oh yeah, nice
not
and warm.
lovely.
Thank God for TikTok.
Yeah, Connor was on TikTok the whole time. We're gonna try to get into Broken Shaker and see how that goes. And if not, then we'll just figure out a plan from there.
Look at all the beautiful buildings.
I know, it's so pretty. Do you miss that skyline? It's so good. Sorry. Me too. How good do these look? Ooh, I'm very excited. Connor got a frozen spicy watermelon drink, and then I got their daily punch, which was like strawberry rum something, which also looks so good. Yeah, I'm very excited. Looks delicious. Cheers. Ooh. Oh, mine is so good. How about yours?
Mine's good. It does have some kick.
You want to switch?
Do a little trade Ooh, yours is.
Oh, yours does have a kick. It's yummy. Yeah, I need to like push the ice down because it is a little warm at the bottom there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Enjoy, guys, and the menu's gonna be there.
Great. Thanks. Okay, so we decided to move because we wanted to get oysters. So we went to LeGrand. If you're ever in the downtown area and you're into oysters or even cheese boards, because they have that too, they do an amazing happy hour here. The oysters are half a dozen oysters plus a bottle of wine for $19. And you can add as many $1 oysters on top of that as you want.
So we did 6 more. That's 25.
Deal of the friggin' century. It's amazing. And then for $25? Yeah, right. In what world? It's amazing. And then they do another one that's like a bottle of wine and a cheese board, I think for $25. And the cheese board is massive. I've never even seen a cheese board this big before. Yeah, seriously. Way underrated. It's always empty. Oh, pub. Nice. Anyway, you never know what kind of wine you're gonna get. You don't get to pick it or anything, so I'm sure whatever the cheapest thing they have on hand is. Today it's a rosé, and this does not look like the color that I look for out of my rosés. But for $19 plus, you know, oysters, fuck it.
Right.
Cheers.
We'll take it.
It's okay. Nope. Here's our oysters. They look so good, you guys.
These look really good.
They look so good. I'm very
Gotta
excited.
like to see all that
seawater
seawater
in there. It's the best.
It's a sign.
Yep. We got 1 extra oysters for rock, paper, scissoring for who gets to eat it.
Arm wrestle for it.
Okay, we're going on shoot, okay?
All right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you got it. Go ahead. Enjoy.
It tastes even better when you win it. To be clear, I did offer it to her.
Yes, he did. But I abide by the rules. Well, we've arrived at Dama. If you've been here for a while, then you probably know a little bit about Dama, because I definitely have vlogged here many times, but Dama is our favorite restaurant. One of our all-time favorites.
Go-to birthday restaurant.
It's so good. It's beautiful. I'll actually walk around really quickly after this, because I'm never here this early. We usually do like 8 p.m. dinners, you know? And so I've never gone to see it in like this much light, and it's so beautiful. So I'll do a quick little walk around.
It's almost like a mixed vibe of like a Cuban rum bar,
yes,
but open air, nice restaurant.
It's beautiful.
Spanish restaurant.
So perfect.
Oh.
And the food is, yeah, you can't order something bad on the menu. Like, you can't order one bad thing.
We know, fortunately, the menu hasn't changed much since
Yes,
we left.
it's pretty much exactly the
We know
same.
exactly what we get.
Yeah. We are not switching it up or trying anything
There
new.
won't be a
but
Dodger dog tonight.
Very happy to be here. Let me give you a little walk around quickly before our drinks down. So there's this whole lower area which like is so cute. These little pink couches, very tropical vibes. Really the whole place is super tropical vibes. I love these chairs, the floor, it's freaking beautiful. Wait, I have to get my mask on. Okay, we're masked up. Let me show you more. There's beautiful men who hang out here. So gorgeous, like refinished doors. The floors are beautiful. Look at this bar. Is everything. Oh, and let me show you over here. Like this gorgeous wallpaper. It's just such tropical vibes. It is so good, you guys. Oh, I am obsessed. Love all the little pops of pink and green. Oh my God, I love it here. It's the best. I don't know if you can tell, but it's in like a refurbished warehouse.
Oh, like.
Which is even cooler. And there's another warehouse across there that is an Italian restaurant. We've been, it was good, but Dama's so much better.
So what are we working with here, Joe?
Extra dirty martini, of course, on the longest skewer. And Connor, what'd you get?
I got Latin Lover for my Latin lover over across from me.
Yes, that's me. Love it. Looks delish. The first course
Not
is
dirty
here.
to me, Joe.
This is the seafood tostadas. We have our tostadas over here. And then this is the agua chile, which is so good.
One of Jill's favorites.
One of my favorites. It's light and delicious and just, it's so good. I love it. So
Let's get at
very
it.
excited to dig in.
Batter.
Yep, bitter batter. Cheers, babe.
Load her up. Don't be afraid. Oh my God! Look at that.
All right, next up, grilled octopus with potatoes. Okay, last course
Certainly
is
not least.
certainly not least, probably best, most,
for last.
is the clams and chorizo. It's so good here. And this bread is like out of this world and it's unlimited. You can ask for them to put more bread in anytime you want, so.
Usually we'd ask for way more.
Yes, but we're in a rush because we have to get to the game, so we're just going to enjoy this and then head out. Goodbye, Dama. You were so good as always. Very sad to be leaving, but heading to our Uber now to go to amazing seats of the Dodgers game. So the night is still in full motion. Very excited. Thank you. Ready to represent. Love a free shirt. So we don't have bad seats here. Pretty solid. Never ever sat in baseball seats like this before. What about you? Nope.
Nope.
Pretty
Been to a
cool.
lot of ball games.
Yep. So big thank you to Stella for getting us these tickets. This video isn't sponsored. Like there was no posting requirements or anything.
All for Stella. It's all for Stella.
This video isn't sponsored. They didn't have any posting requirements. They just offered to send us, which is very kind. So thank you to them.
And we love your shit.
Yes.
Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back, 'cause it's root for the Dodgers. If they don't win, it's a shame.
End of the game. And this was so cool, right?
We had the best time.
Yeah.
Stella, thank you so much
Thank
for the
you
best
so
tickets
much.
of my life.
It was awesome.
Been to about like, what, 60 baseball games in
Yeah.
my life, and best tickets, easily.
It was really cool. It was so
We
fun.
had so much fun. And the Dodgers won, so.
You can't get better than that.
Go Blue Jays.
Yes, go Blue Jays and go Phillies.
But go Dodgers, I guess.
Yeah, yes. So did you have a good day?
I had the best day.
What was your favorite part of the
It's
day?
hard to pick. So Dama was amazing.
Amazing.
You know, getting to go to Dodger Stadium with you, wearing my grandpa's sweater,
Yeah, so cute.
and just like enjoying like a kind of like reminiscing where our relationships are overall. Like one of the best days period I've had
In a while. Oh, I love it. I love you.
I love you. How about you? What was your favorite part?
I guess probably Dama, yeah. But the game was awesome too. Very fun. Very chill. This guy is losing his mind. You got 2 baseballs, Coco.
I got two
Two baseballs. 2 baseballs!